Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be our monthly Boxycharm unboxing. Guys, forgive me, please forgive me for being so inactive on YouTube. Anytime I would try to film a video, something would always happen. I had that like thing with my eyes, and then I caught like food poisoning, and then I was sick, and then yeah, there was a bunch of things that was going on. But now I'm back and I'm ready to be filming all the time and putting up videos all the time, so please forgive me. So we are gonna get into our box and we're gonna see what this month's box is all about. So the first thing that I'm gonna take out, because I'm not going to use at the moment, is this Sol de Janeiro fast absorbing body cream. This retails for $10 and it's just I guess a cream. It has a bunch of stuff. It has fruit, caffeine, mica, pistachio, caramel, leaf skin, delicately fragrance. So I don't know, it smells good, and I just got lotion on my face. It smells good. I'm gonna try it, and then I guess like I'll keep you updated on the description down below. So the next thing in the box I was super excited for, because I love these type of brushes. This is Luxie's 3-piece flawless complexion. It comes with a precision foundation brush. Hold on, let me take it out of the thing first. Okay, so it comes with a precision foundation brush, which is this one. It comes with tapered highlighting brush, which is this one, and then it comes with this really cool dual fiber powder brush. And then it says that you can use this brush for cream or powder makeup for softer flawless finish. You can use a foundation brush with less bristles density. This brush is perfect for applying both powder and liquid foundation to create a soft diffused makeup look. And then the taper highlighter, it's just a highlighting brush. So we are going to get into the brushes because I have my face already on. I just need to set everything and like bronze and stuff, so that's what we're going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the foundation brush. Since I already put on foundation, I'm going to just set my concealer and set my foundation, set everywhere that I didn't, I didn't powder up, which is my whole face. So let's see. So now I'm going to take my Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to use this like stippling, it says dual fiber powder brush, and I'm going to like contour my face because this powder brush comes to like a point. So like, okay, so far I just use these two brushes. I'm going to wait to use this brush because I want to use a highlight shade in one of the products that I am about to bring out. So the next thing in the box is, I was so excited when I saw it because the shades in this, okay, let me tell you what it is. It's the Alamar Reina de Caribe. I hope I'm saying that right. But this retails for $28, and this is what it looks like. Like, this is so beautiful. Look at those shades, so beautiful. Honestly, I don't want to use it because I want to like do a like, you know, an eyeshadow look using this palette, but I have to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the like little highlighter brush that came in the Luxie 3-piece, and I'm gonna go into the shade La Costa and put it on my face. We're gonna go into now the palette, like actually put it on our eyes and stuff. This palette comes from Gary, which is Kathleen Light's makeup artist. I'm pretty sure everybody knows who Kathleen Light is, but her makeup artist came up with this palette, and it's like in dedication to like Cuban like theme stuff. It says, inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, the birthplace of Alamar, featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine, metallics, and velvety mattes. So I'm gonna just do like a little something here because honestly I really want to use this palette in a tutorial. So I'm gonna just do something really fast, and then we'll get back and see how I like it and finish up in the box. So we're gonna go into the shade Cocoa Tat. I don't want to like be super like not Spanish when I say this, so I'm gonna try my best to say it in a Spanish accent. If you guys didn't know, I was Puerto Rican. I am Puerto Rican, not I was. I am Puerto Rican, but American Puerto Rican, not. So we're gonna go on with Coco Taxi. And we're just gonna like buff it into our crease. Okay, now we're gonna go into the shade Cafecito. It's this brown one right here. Oh guys, I'm really liking this palette. I'm so happy we got it in our box this month. I told you it retails for $28. So the next thing in the box is this eyeliner pencil from Jante Blue. I'm so lame, I know, but it's from Jante or I don't know, but it's from that brand. It's a waterproof eyeliner pencil. It's 100% vegan. Wow. It's waterproof, glides on smooth for an elevated eye look, used along the upper lash line or waterline. I think I got like a gray color. It says it's charcoal, but it's really not. It's definitely gray, which is not gonna match this eye look, but we'll see how it looks. I gotta get close to my mirror, guys, so give me a second. The next thing in the box is this Baddington Monroe silk lashes. It's 3D multi-layer silk lash. Enhance your look with modern length, added volume, and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. I don't know how true that is, but this retails for $28. And these lashes are like pretty nice, to be honest. I'm so sorry I didn't tell you what the eyeliner retailed for. It retailed for $5. So I'm gonna just take these out of the box and then I'm gonna put them on my eyes. No biggie there. So guys, these are what the lashes look on my eyes. I am actually like really liking it. Let me zoom you guys out because I know it's kind of. And last but not least, the last thing in the box, I was super excited for this box, man. Like everything that I seen, I was like, oh my god, like I can't wait to get this box. But let me stop. This is an ofra liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade, or like in the style, shade or style, I think it'd be shade Verona. This retails for $21, and let me put it on my lips. And this is what the liquid lipstick looks on my lips. I am like really feeling it. I heard, because I seen Kathleen Light's Boxycharm unboxing before I filmed, but I heard that she said that ofra just came out with this liquid lipstick. It's actually a new shade, so like that's really exciting that we got that in this month's box. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so sorry again for being MIA like this month. Definitely keep up with my channel because I'm definitely gonna be uploading more. I promise, guys. I'm so sorry, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.